Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can accept your Stripe payments on your Wix website. So here you can see that I am on the dashboard of Squarespace. So if I want to add a Stripe payment method, for that I need to click on Commerce in the left panel, and then here you will need to scroll down until you see Payments in the Setup section. Click on Payments. So here you will see Stripe. You need to click on Connect and then a pop-up will appear. Here you will need to enter your Stripe email. So after entering the email, you will need to click on continue. Click on continue and then you will need to add your password. So after that, your Stripe payment method will be connected to your Squarespace website. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.